everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can log into your Bybit application using your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, download and install the Bybit application on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. After you have downloaded it, open it up, and then from the home page, go ahead and look for the sign up/login button, which should appear at the top. Now, if you already have an account, you can go ahead and log into it. Simply enter your email address or your mobile phone number. You have an option to choose email or phone number. After making a selection, enter your email address or your mobile number, followed by your Bybit account's password. Finally, after entering the password, click on Login Now. If you don't remember the password, tap the Forgot Password link and follow through the reset process. Right after you have the credentials correct, you will then be signed into your account. You can also log in using other options such as email and password, mobile number, Google or Apple account options. Just make sure you have the correct login info and there you will be able to sign in. Now you can easily start exploring the Bybit app, check your wallet, markets, or make your first trade. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more crypto and app tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.